How to use Wise on Pandabuy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use Wise on Pandabuy. Now, before I go further, I want you to know that there are two ways to use Wise on Pandabuy. The first way is by topping up your Pandabuy balance with your Wise account, that is your Wise card, or by using your Wise card to pay whenever you want to get or purchase a product on Pandabuy. So those are the two ways. Now, to move further, go ahead and open your or log in into your Pandabuy account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in on the home page, by the right side of the screen, you click on the profile icon. Now, once you click on the profile icon, a list of options will be displayed to you. So just go ahead and click on User Center. It is the first option in this menu. So once you click on User Center, it will load and then you'll be directed to a page where you can see your balance, your profile picture, your username, etc. So just go ahead and click on top up. Top up is next to withdraw. Yeah, on this page, just click on top up like this. Once you click on top up, you would select the amount you want to top up your account with. So, for example, 100 CNY. So confirm. Once you click on confirm, you'll be redirected to the checkout page. On this page, you would see a series or the available payment options depending on your location and currency, right? So yeah, pay this is PayPal. I'm not working with PayPal. I'm trying to update or top up our account with our Wise account. So we'll come here and then click on Stripe. Then once you click on Stripe, you can see next to Stripe you see bank cards. Bank cards. So that means that for this you'd be using cards, and there is Visa, Mastercard, Discovery, GPay, and Wise is also available. So all you need to do is just to come by the move to the right side of the screen, the lower part, you'll see confirm payment, click on it. Then once you click on it, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be asked to enter or input the details on your card. So all you need to do once you're on this page, I can see pay with card. All you need to do is just to enter the card number that is on your Wise account. Yes, that is your card number, your Wise card. Okay, so just go ahead, input it. Ensure you input the full name, your country, the address, the city, state, and then once you're done, click on pay. Once you click on pay, you'll be asked to verify your account either with an OTP or with the verification code. Just enter the verification code. Once you enter it into the selected box, the money will be deducted from your Wise account and it will be your Panda buy account will be updated automatically. So that is the first way. And then the second way to do it, let's go back to the let's go back home. Okay, now the second way, like I said, is by paying for a product. So it's getting a product and then purchasing a product and then paying with your Wise account. So this is my cart, sorry, this is my cart and then I have a product there. So if I want to check it out, I can just click on cart checkout located by the lower part of the screen. Once I click on it, I'll be brought to the checkout page here. Now on this checkout page, you can see I only want to get one quantity. I've selected if I want to add a remark here, if I want to delete whichever one, then select all. Click on select all. Yeah. So once you click on select all, scroll down, not too fast. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll and scroll. Then once you scroll down, ensure you fill in all the necessary things you need to fill in. Say the product requires the list. Okay, this is not important. Just ensure you fill once you fill everything in, you come here and this submit button is clickable. Currently it's not clickable because I have not completed the process or the details. I've not completed filling in the details. But once you are done, just click on submit. And once you submit and then you're asked to pay for the products, ensure you use your Wise card to pay. Once you use your Wise card to pay, your Wise card will be added automatically to your account. And then when next you want to pay for your products. You would not have to infuse the card anymore. So this is how, or these are the ways whereby you can use Wise on your Pandabuy account. Thanks for watching.